It's my birthday on Monday and I really wanted to get a new desk for my birthday. So I need to go to Ikea to get that, because I did look at delivery charges and it was about £40 just to get it delivered, so I thought, well, might as well go there then. It's about an hour's drive away, and we're going to take my husband's car because he's got more space in his car. So I asked him if we could go today and he said yes, which really shocked me because he only goes about every 3 or 4 years. He really hates going there, so bonus. So that's what we're doing tonight.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
That's what I want, open shelving.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
We're on our way back now from Ikea, but we've just stopped off to get something to eat because it's quite late now, and we just want to get something quick and easy for my husband and I to eat because the children have already eaten. Yeah, so we've got oh, you can't see, but the back is just full of boxes now. I got a nice desk that I was after, and I got a nice chair to go with it, and we got a new TV stand because the one we've got is really too high and it's also too wide as well. It's just really takes up way too much of the room, so we got one that's a bit more slimlined and a lower one. And yeah, it's just some other bits and pieces which I'll show you when we get back, but I'm trying to vlog discreetly, but there's quite a few people going past. It's quite embarrassing, but I'll just carry on. I didn't wear a mask because I don't wear a mask. I'm exempt. I get really panicky if I wear a mask or anything covering my face. So yeah, I just can't. Even there's a reflection of something there, not reflection, shadow. Even seeing other people wearing masks makes me feel panicky and weird and nervous. But yeah, we went in and it was fine. No one said anything. I dealt with several members of staff and they didn't mention anything. They were all fine. Members of the public didn't stare. You know, there have been other places that I've been and people have really given me funny looks, but today everyone was fine. It was really good. And the only thing was that one of the items that we needed to buy, on the ticket thing on the item, it said that you needed to go and speak to a member of staff about it. You couldn't just go and collect it. So we went and spoke to somebody, and they said you have to do this, like pay there and then go and collect it from a collection point. And yeah, so then we went to the collection point, and the woman there that was at the entrance bit to that, she said to me, "Where's your mask?" And I just said, "I'm exempt." And then so then she sent me round somewhere at like the edge of because there's loads of queues. It was really busy today, but I just went straight past everybody round a special way and got express service, so that was quite useful. But yeah, I was quite pleased with that. You know, since March I've only been out to shops, I would say less than 5 times, maybe 5 times since March, and yeah, it wasn't too bad today. It wasn't too bad, but yeah, I do get quite nervous about it all the mask wearers, they make me feel funny. So yeah, Ashley's just gone into Sainsbury's to go and get something to eat quickly. I'll show you what we've got when we get back. This is what my husband got. He got some pig's ears for the dog to have a treat. He's got some Doritos. Dorito dip. What's that one?
Dorito
cheese.
dip. I might have to taste that.
More Doritos.
Yum.
He's got himself a couple of beers. He's got me a couple of these gin and tonics. And then he's got me this chicken jalfrezi and pilau rice, and one for himself. That's our dinner for tonight. I got this pack of plates and bowls because we are running out, and we need a few more before Christmas. So I'm going to take those out and see what they look like. So there's 6 each of these dinner plates, side plates, and bowls. So that should help.
Those look so nice.
Yeah, not too bad. So that's the lamp when it's assembled, and I like the little pull bit. I haven't plugged it in yet though.
I can fit this in.
I've plugged it in up here, just temporarily, until we get the desk put up. And I think that looks really nice. It's quite tall, but I really like that. I think that would look good on my desk. But we're probably not going to put the desk up until after the workmen have left. This is the chair that's going to be with my desk. I've just assembled like a master. And Ashley's just in the TV cabinet thingy. What's it called? TV stand together. So this is the old TV stand versus the new TV stand. So the old one is a lot higher, as you can see. Doesn't look that high on here, but it is. And the depth, it comes out loads more on there. So this one should look better. I'm just going to put it in place now and get rid of the other one. And there is the TV stand, finished in its final location.
That seems courageous. Do you know?
No. Thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I.